Hello, this is Micah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. Today we're going to show you our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This unit has 51,000 miles with a 3.6 liter V6. It does qualify for the Dodge 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. This unit, we put a brand new rear entry ATS conversion in it. This conversion has a 3-year warranty, and we're going to get right into the conversion. This is an ADA compliant design. It's a one-piece ramp there. You got a hinge on each side. Release that one. 2 fingers on the bottom of the thumb. Pulls it right up. Hand on each side of the ramp. Spring-assisted ramp. Just start it down. It'll take itself down to the ground by itself, or you can walk it down. Ramp there is 34 inches wide. Our entry height is 56 inches. Interior height is 58 inches. You got a 94-inch cut here in the middle. You can accommodate 2 wheelchairs or a gurney. 8 tie-down points. You got 2 in the front, 4 in the center, 2 here in the back. Passenger seats back here. Up in the front, if you're going to use this van commercially, you got steering wheel controls for your driver, which makes that nice and keep their eyes on the road. You got dual climate control up front. Your driver can be one temperature, passenger be another, and in the rear you got rear controls right here. Or your passengers in the back can have full control of that. Alright, we're going to take this ADA compliant ATS conversion and put it back up. Either side of the ramp again has a handle. I'm going to grab it with 2 fingers. That spring assisted ramp. Not a lot to it. Take my hand off. It walked itself back in. And I'm going to secure the ramp. And the reason for this securement is more or less just to keep from rattling. What's nice about the ATS design is it is a solid one-piece ramp. There's no metal that folds that can clang on each other and make a loud commute. Very durable design. Not a lot to go wrong with it at all. We're going to take a walk around the van. Again, this is a 2016. It's very clean. The body's straight. Not saying it's a perfect van, but there's just not a lot of door dings, paint chips. It is very straight. This van's been well taken care of. When we do these videos, the purpose is, if you buy a van from us and you were not able to come here and put your hands on it and inspect it before you purchase it, we want you to know exactly what's going to arrive to your door. We don't like surprises. We understand as consumers, surprises after a purchase are rarely good. I'm walking around the van. I'm just not seeing much of anything. It's got some touch-up paint right here. Not sure if the camera's picking it up. Ow. It's got your dual sliding doors, so your back passengers can get access. You got your power windows, power mirror. No rips or tears in the upholstery. And of course, there's no odors in this van. There's no smoking, no pet odors of any kind. I do not own any pets. I love pets, but if there were pet odors in here, I would certainly smell them. This van does have the user manual that comes with it. It does have 1 key fob with 1 manual key here that slides out. If you would like a second key made for this van, let us know. We'll be happy to do that for you. Last time we checked Dodge dealerships, we were charging $250 for a basic key fob and key. We can get it done for you roughly for a design like that, $150. Prices do change. We do not try to mark them up and make money. So if it's up $10, $15, we do apologize. The mileage on here is 51,446. We're going to test our windows. Everything on this van works as it should. Power mirrors. Of course, you got your radio. And the utmost important during this time of year is that air conditioner, and I assure you it is blowing cold. Again, this unit's got the rear AC and controls. If you can't hear it blowing back there, I assure you it does work. Also, when we did the walk around, I'm sure you noticed, but it does have the privacy glass, which that certainly helps during the summertime, keeping this van cool. Again, you got your steering wheel controls. Alright, now we'll go ahead and take a look under the hood. Alright, got the 3.6 liter V6. Again, it's got 51,000 miles on it. Looking in here, engine's clean. No signs of leaking. We inspect each one of our units, whether it's 20 years old or 6 months old. We put it through an inspection with our own ASC certified mechanics. And this thing looks very clean. You hear no squealing, no ticking. I do have the AC compressor running. I like to run that when I'm showing the engine compartment. Nobody wants a squealing compressor. Underneath the van, we don't have any excess rust buildup. This is extremely important if you are looking to purchase a van online, which is a very common thing to do nowadays. You need to protect yourself. One way of protecting yourself is making sure that you communicate to your seller that you will, no matter what, not purchase a van from them or any kind of vehicle unless they stop, take 10 minutes to do a video such as this, showing you different parts of the vehicle you're looking at. Because if you go and you buy something that's covered with rust underneath, it will not pass your state inspection and you will not be able to tag it, and therefore you just bought a very expensive paperweight. If you have a seller that is reluctant to go out and spend 10 minutes on a video like this one here to assure you that what you're buying is solid, you just might want to reconsider and shop elsewhere. Let's take this on a test drive. Before we do that test drive, I did want to point out the hubcaps on this van, the ones that came with it, the Dodge manufacturer ones, they were a little scarred up. We changed them out with something we had laying in the shop just for the videos and pictures, but we do have some new style that you see the hubcaps and the pictures on our website. We do have those hubcaps on order, so those will be changed back out before this van is sold. Okay, we're going to do the test drive version of the video here. Point of this part of the video is we want you to hear the vehicle run, the transmission shift, get a good idea of what it's like to drive this van. If there's anything that you've seen in this video that you might want maybe a little more detail on a certain part of the van or anything at all, maybe more pictures, please do give us a call. Let us know what you're looking for. If you are a serious buyer, we will bend over backwards for you. We're going to get out here on the highway. I'm going to get it up to highway speeds, and then we're going to set our cruise control. Got it there at 70 miles an hour. Cruise is set at 65. Van goes nice and straight down the road. One thing I do like to point out on these vans with the brand new conversions in them is just how quiet the ride is. If you are familiar with mobility vans, I'm sure you've been in vans where you can't even hold a conversation with someone sitting next to you because of the noise that ramp might make, because it's probably a 2 or 3 piece ramp. This ATS design is a 1 piece. There's just not a lot to go to go with that to make it rattle. It's got those clamps to hold that ramp securely against that door. So we're going to get off here. I'm going to take a hard brake on this exit ramp. My hand's off the wheel. As you can see, the van did not pull one way or the other. There's no shimmying of the steering wheel. I do apologize. We don't like to make these videos around this time of the day, so safety does have to come first. This is a nice ride going over this side street here with the bumps. Again, no clanging from that conversion in the back, no knocking from our suspension. Just a very good, solid van. Runs, drives straight. It's got that great white color, easy to hide any dust from. If you're looking for it for commercial use, you can put your lettering on it. It'll stick out real well. And personally, I don't mind owning white cars because I don't really like spending that much money on my car washes. So, we are Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website, of course, is mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Folks, we have over 450 positive comments on eBay. We don't have a single negative comment in the 7 to 8 years we've been doing business. We have 100% satisfaction rating with the Better Business Bureau. We do that by putting out a good quality product. If there's something wrong with a van, we tell you ahead of time. We give you the option to fix it if it's something we're willing to do. If you have any questions at all, please give Jeremiah or myself a call at 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. And then you can always see us on our website at mobility316.com. Thank you.